the next day.
Good morning. Good morning. You guys could see me yesterday. It's the start of a new vlog. Today is Kaito's birthday. We're up very early this morning because Daddy is leaving from work. He's leaving for work. Auntie Anna is leaving for work and he's praying for Kaito. Yeah. So I came to just finish up the setup and bring out the bicycle that we bought for him. I'm talking this slow because I don't want Kaito to hear me, you know. So when he's done with that in the room, then yeah.
Okay, put this one for me. So cover your face like this.
Oh, then we'll bring it out.
So bring it out. And then, so try, let's go. Okay, so don't touch your eye, okay? I'm bringing out your surprise.
Don't touch your eye, okay? Don't touch your eye. That is don't touch your eye.
Remove them now. Sorry, blue eye.
Come here, Joe. Don't touch your eye. And camera don't say what.
I'm going to wear lights. It's not. I open his Bible and I. Surprise! Wow! I'll give Daddy a hug.
Daddy, what you buy? You're welcome.
You're welcome. I'll test the bicycle and see if it's working.
Okay.
Yes. Let's go.
Wow.
That's a good guy. That's right. What are you brakes? I have to move that. Right.
Wow.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, these are the big boys.
Somebody wants to ride the Kaito.
Oh my goodness.
Kaito. Oh yeah, Kaito, you give us food. Sit there.
Close your teeth. Very good.
Not so sweet.
Sit. Be like this.
Oh, yes, I can do that. I used to do that instead.
So yeah, do that. No!
Kaito, put your hand in your pocket.
Yeah, don't have pocket though.
Yeah, pocket.
Don't have pocket now. What is this like?
See your pocket. You have pocket.
A few moments later.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah. You mean? So that's why you go realize, yeah, okay, as I pay transport going, check and balance, check myself. What do I really have left? Yes. Oh, see, I'm waiting for you. Okay. All right.
I don't even know how to move.
What kind of favorite food? Mommy on the beat. Why so serious?
A few moments later.
Oh yeah, now where are the children? Children, oh yeah, come and snap picture. Sing. Oh yeah, sing. It's you. Oh no, come on, enter.
Guys, hey guys, Bumsy, yeah guys, hold on 1 second. It's not your present, Kaima, it's Kaito's present.
No,
but
this is Princess now.
It's Kaito's present, so it's not your own.
Princess now. It's for my birthday.
Yeah, it's for your birthday. It's your godmother that gave it to you. But hey guys, you guys, Kaito's birthday is done and dusted. This is like a few days after Kaito's birthday actually. Kaito, go and close the door. This is a few days after Kaito's birthday. I just came back from an event. I'm wearing my KK event shirt, so you guys are supposed to know. I just came back from an event and I was like, that's true. I've not even ended Kaito's birthday vlog. No, Kaito's birthday. Kaito, come, you're 6 years old. Come. Did you enjoy your birthday party?
Yeah.
Why are you shy now? Which one? Kaito is shy. Yes, my love.
I still have space because once it gets cold now.
Let me put it in the oven for you now.
Even cold.
Let me open it for you now. They say it's the best in town. You guys, I bought my husband item 7 shawarma. They say it's the best in Lagos. And baby, do you know the story about this woman?
No.
I be man or so. They say the person started from Ibadan, moved to Ilorin. I'm telling you that this item 7 go has dominated in the whole mainland before it even came to the island. And I'm coming guys. Let me go and microwave. Not microwave, let me go and oven something for my husband. You guys, sorry, breaking transmission. I wanted to just go and put something in the oven for my husband. In fact, not even something.
Yes, why?
Shawarma. I want you to open your gift your godmother bought for you.
Yeah, I will open this one. I'll open this one.
Oh yeah, open anyone. Open this one first.
Is it
Kaima, no, it's not you. It's not your birthday. It's for Kaito. Come, let me read your card for you, Kaito. It says, Godson, have a great birthday. To my sweetest godson, I love you so much and I hope you experience God goodness and love in this new year of your life. Happy birthday, baby, from your godmama and Dara. XOXO is Auntie Uzo. What do you have to say? Thank you, Auntie Uzo.
Let's open this.
Oh yeah, open it now.
How do we open it?
Okay, let me help you out with that.
Oh my gosh, it's shoe.
Let me help you out with this.
It looks like a shoe.
Wow, it's a race car, Spider-Man.
Open it, let me see.
Okay, let me open. Come on, no, you don't have the honors of opening another person's gift. This is Kaito's gift.
Mommy, her hand.
Let her fold her hand now. Let her fold her hand. On her bed, you open her gift, or she opened it by herself. Be happy for other people. Be happy for other people. So Kaito will open it because Kaito is sorry. I had to change the setting of the camera because I don't know what is happening with the light reflection. So it turned what they call it. But Shasha, I just did a different setting. But yeah, you guys look at this. I love it. It's not turning into red though. I don't know. Kaito, this is for you, but we have to set it. So you have to go and give it to Daddy. Daddy will set it up for you. It's a race car. And it's what? Wow.
Control.
It's Spider-Man race car.
So cute.
So cute. I wish
Birthday show.
Auntie Uzo will see this, your reaction. She will watch it here. Listen, she always gets you gifts that you would really love. Let's open the other one as well.
Yay.
So beautiful. Okay, man, don't keep your face like that. You have to be happy for other people so that good things will come to you too as well. Do you hear mommy? Say yes, mommy. Do you hear mommy?
Look at what is inside.
Yes.
Football.
What is inside?
Football.
Wow, let me see. Ooh.
Look at this football.
Basketball. You guys show Daddy. Go. You guys take the gift. Go and show Daddy everything that is got for you. This is so thoughtful. Come and carry this one. Oh yeah, go and show Daddy.
Wow. This is thoughtful.
It's so thoughtful, yeah. Kaito said this is thoughtful. Thank you so much. Uzo, of course, you're gonna be watching this. So thank you so much. You've made your godson, you've made your godson ecstatic. But you guys, yeah, before I go off or end this vlog, I'm thankful for the people around me. You guys could see Chacha, you know, came in to support with the cooking, and then, you know, cooked what they call it, the fried rice. I'm really just grateful for the community that I have, that I'm raising children around, and this is a community that actually cares and love my children. I'm also grateful for the gift of motherhood. I'm not gonna sit down here and complain to you about exhaustion and all, because you guys, in the last 3 to 4 months has been hell for me, but I don't know how I would have been able to make it through, or I would have been able to be standing here or sitting down here and speaking to you guys if I did not have children, or if I did not have a family of my own. I feel like I would have gone mental. I feel like I would have gone psycho, to be very honest with you. I feel like, yeah, we talk about the struggles of motherhood and all, but motherhood is a blessing. For the fact that I have my children, I have my own home, I am not crying alone. I am not sulking alone. In fact, yesterday I remembered something and I was crying, yeah, and Cameron was like, Daddy, mommy is crying, you people have to come and take care of mommy. And I quickly just said, I'm not crying again, because, you know, I was watching a video that reminded me of something, you know, in relation to my dad's death. So I was crying seriously yesterday, and I'm just saying that I don't know if, you know, I did not have these little gifts. These are not even little gifts, these are significant gifts in my life. So I can imagine if I did not have my children present in my life at this particular time, and this kind of shock, you know, happened, or this kind of thing happened to me, you know, I don't know how I would have been able to come. And that's what I was telling the person that I'm speaking with, you know, because there's, you sound a lot better today. I was like, I feel like my children are healing me. For the fact that I'm responsible for somebody or people, I know that I cannot suck up for too long. You know, what I'm just dealing with, you know, is chest pain. I have gone, I said it in my previous video, I have gone to the hospital, I've done ECG tests and all, but I feel like, you know, when you feel heartbreak from inside, like, this is not the video for it. Again, I wanted to also feel bad, you know, just thinking that, you know, I was just saying that, celebrating my son at 6 years, my dad is not going to witness my children grow up. Like, they're not going to grow up with him. I was also crying and saying that how well, you know, we didn't have a memory of him, you know, we didn't remember him apart from, you know, pictures, because of course now their brain might not be able to relate back and remember, you know, maybe in the future and all, but I don't know how well they'll be able to remember him, you know. I'm just so grateful. I'm a mom of a 6-year-old. You guys, to God be all the glory. This is a gift that I don't take for granted. You know, I have been a mother for 6 years. It's not a gift that I take for granted, because I know that there are many people that desire these things. I know there are many people that they are fighting for the gift. Definitely, I know that there are many people that are in my situation, or even my age, or even, you know, and are desiring God for things like this, and it has not come. So I don't take this gift for granted, even more especially now. Even with the situation that happened, I tend to appreciate and love over my family as much as I can, even my children. Like, you know, the fact that I can even shout at somebody, like I have to stop it, don't go there, do this one, like it makes me snap out of my sorrowfulness, you know, because I've had situations where I'm crying and I just see Kaito and Kaima fighting unnecessary or dragging something. I'm like, what is wrong with you? Like, I've not even forgotten like what was even, you know, why I was even so deep into crying and all. What is wrong? Or someone because the mommy come and give me bread and not or something, you know. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much. I know I'm going to get a lot of happy birthday in the comment section to Kaito. Thank you. You will have so many reasons. In fact, all of us will have so many reasons to celebrate in this year 2026. We will have so many reasons to celebrate. But anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please don't forget to subscribe to Boomsy Sport. Don't forget to turn on your post notification, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.